evolution we have witnessed, from the age of divine wisdom to the era of digital intelligence. It reflects how the educational system, technological advancement, and societal frameworks have transformed over the course of time, particularly across the four yugas.
This theme is not just a presentation of history, it's a mirror to the ever evolving time, nature of humanity. And through this assembly, we aim to highlight how each era left its imprint on what we learn, and how we evolve. In a world racing forward, Manthan urges to pause, reflect,
धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। तूने मुझे उत्पन्न किया, पालन कर रहा है तू, तुझसे ही पाते प्राण हम, दुखियों के दुख हरता तू। तेरा ही देश महान है, छाया हुआ है जगह, सृष्टि की वस्तु वस्तु में हो रहा है विद्यमान। तेरा ही करते ध्यान हम, मांगते तेरी दया। ईश्वर हमारी बुद्धि को श्रेष्ठ मार्ग पर चला, सर्व मंगल मांगल्य शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके। शरण्यत्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते, नारायणी नमोस्तुते, नारायणी नमोस्तुते। अस्तो मा सद्गमया, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया, मृत्यो मामृतं गमया। ओम शांति 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 ओम, ओम शांति 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 ओम, ओम शांति 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 ओम। शंभु शंभु शिव महादेवा। कर्पूरगौरं कर्णावतारं संसारसारं दुर्गेन्द्रहारं। कर्पूरगौरं कर्णावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं। सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे, भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। सन्तं हृदयारविन्दे, भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। हर हर शंभु शंभु शिव महादेवा, शंभु शंभु शिव महादेवा। The showers of blessings, this is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessings, showers of blessings we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessings, this is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, Raindrops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. But for the showers we plead. But for the showers we plead.
It's time for mantra of the day. Please repeat after me. Om Ham Him Klim Chamundai Viche Namaha. 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 Om Ham Him Klim Chamundai Viche Namaha.
Now it's time for thought of the day. The thought of the day is small steps leads to bigger results. It means that if we take small steps towards our goal but with perfection, we will get successful.
What a divineful experience. Let's clap for our talented performers.
I want to be a successful chartered accountant, and I embrace the journey full of dedication, strength and faith in myself.
I want to be thoughtful and solution-driven engineer and use logic and creativity to build system that improves life.
I want to be a visionary and expressive artist, and I will share my preferences through powerful and original creations.
I want to be a strong and respected leader who would lead with integrity, empathy, and a clear vision.
I want to be a skilled and forward-thinking software developer that would create solutions that will solve real problems and drive progress.
I want to be a skilled and a compatible neurologist, and I want to dedicate myself to heal and support others.
I want to become a confident and influential public speaker, and I will speak with clarity, passion, and purpose to move others.
I want to be a confident and inspiring teacher, and I want to become guide others towards understanding with my patience and passion.
हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई 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 हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई 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 ख्वाबों के बीच कच्ची जमीन पे हमको बोना है आशा के मोती सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है अपना बोझ मिल के साथ ही हमको ढोना है शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई
रास रचिलो साज सजिलो शुभ घड़ी छे आवी आछा आछा टमटमाता शमणाओ छे लावी
स्वैग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत
Everyone, welcome to our school's monthly report where we highlight all the achievements, events and developments in our school.
School mission. Our school mission is to make every child happy, successful, joyful and to build a strong character by strengthening 5 significant values and practicing rituals.
School vision. Our school vision is to bring out natural, unlimited, inborn talent joyfully in every child to the maximum.
Our respected Dr. Apim Malik sir has always been a person who had envisioned to perform excellent opportunity to the students and parents who are looking for the holistic development. Such dynamic and uncompromising nature is a pavement towards the excellence not only academically but also ethically.
Our respected S.D. Malik ma'am has always had a vision to promote integral education in a child-friendly environment that emphasizes on unity of all.
Dr. Inder Malik sir has always been a great motivator for our students, who has focused on inculcating values in our young buds through rituals. He is the pivotal force who has invented various educational tools for the betterment of the students.
Respected Dr. Mahima Malik ma'am, member of Management Committee of St. LPS, a person who hardly needs an introduction, blessed with calm demeanor and extraordinary insight, known for her exceptional skills.
Our respected Academic Director, Mr. Satyam Malik sir, a disciplinarian, an educationist, a guiding force, a man with spiritual aura, and a person who is of practical approach. Sir always focuses on the overall development of students by providing them new techniques in order to prepare them for the global challenges.
New academic session of our school started with auspicious Saraswati Puja. Teachers and students were gathered to take blessings from Goddess Saraswati. This ceremony instilled a sense of reverence among students and set a harmonious tune for upcoming session.
Our school celebrated World Health Day with great enthusiasm through a series of health-focused activities. Students showcased their creativity through poster making. There were activities such as healthy tiffin making and healthy no-flame cooking that represented nutritious eating habits among the students. These help students understand the significance of an healthy lifestyle.
On the occasion of the birth anniversary of our esteemed founder, Chairperson Dr. S.G. Malik ma'am, our school celebrated SGM Empowerment Day with great zeal and gratitude. The day honored her visionary leadership and steadfast commitments to holistic education. Students also participated in various empowering activities.
To honor the legacy of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the school observed a dedicated week filled with various activities. The students wrote letters and essays expressing his impact on society and the Constitution. His qualities were creatively portrayed through craft work.
The school cabinet plays a vital role in any school, as this cabinet will help our students to come forward and lead others. Being a member of this cabinet, the students will be prepared to become future leaders.
A workshop and seminar was conducted in our school by NDRF, that is National Disaster Response Force. They demonstrated some example that how to handle situations like earthquake and fire, and the whole session was very informative and enhanced awareness among everyone.
Our school celebrated Earth Day with great enthusiasm and creativity. Students showcased their eco-awareness through thought-provoking slogans and visually appealing posters. The event highlighted the importance of protecting our planet and inspired everyone to take small steps towards a greener future.
In our school, our students showed immense dedication and scored 100% result in artificial intelligence. Special congratulations to Avishi Singh. And we are immensely proud to announce that Himani Kumari of class 12th has scored 100% in painting.
Our school celebrated Forgiveness Day on 7th July, highlighting kindness and empathy. Students wrote forgiveness letter and created artwork promoting peace.
Guru Purnima is celebrated to pay tribute and thank our respected R.P. Malik sir, respected S.D. Malik ma'am, our respected management team, our teachers and our spiritual guides. It was celebrated in our school on 10 July 2025, where students participated with great devotion and reverence. Students expressed their gratitude with heartfelt emotions and handmade tokens of appreciation.
This report showcased our ability to foster a well-rounded education. Our school's inclusive approach ensured every student's participation in cultural and academic pursuits by providing them with a supportive environment in which they can discover their passion and reach their full potential.
Let's give a hearty applause to our students.
And with that, we conclude our monthly report. Now, let's have a quick glimpse of the vibrant journey we have embarked on this month.
कुछ लोग कहते हैं लिखती तो बड़ा बट सिंपल एंड सेम,
तो उन लोगों के लिए presenting you the one and only my self-written rap. Let's give it a try. Beat. Three, two. नाम is 3, 2, 1, go. भसड़ है बहुत यार पर कर लिया मैंने पार सोम मंगल बुधवार ये ने I'm a big star, big star. I'm a big, 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 big star. Big star. 3, 2, 1. नाम is हिंदी version of name. बड़ी मेहनत करने से मिलता है fame. होगा tough. That is what you claim. But for me this is only a short fun game. यार इन लोग के jokes बड़े होते हैं lame. आनेन future पे stain खोल के रखूंगी अपने ये पंख. तभी तो बजा लो मेरे नाम का शंख. ना मैं सोच सकूं कभी ना मैं करूं कभी प्लीज बॉस मेरी खुद ही ना मैं पॉज करूं कभी ना मैंने रखी उम्मीद है तो फिर लॉस होगा कैसे मेरे पास काफी खुशी ना मैं बनी कभी. जो भी मिला मुझे बहुत मैं तो चली मेरे राह पर क्योंकि मिला मुझे घोट दोस्त ने छोड़ा क्योंकि पास ना था मेरे नोट फैसला ने लाया मुझे यहाँ तक. अब बोल. भसड़ है बहुत यार पर कर लिया मैंने पार सोम मंगल बुधवार ये ने I'm a big star, big star. I'm a big, 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 big star. Yeah, I'm a super big star. Thank you very much.
Wow, what an incredible.
नाटक आया फिर एक नया मुद्दा लाया. नाटक आया फिर एक नया मुद्दा लाया.
नाटक का ये नारा है जनता को दिखाना है.
नाटक का ये नारा है जनता को जगाना है.
जागरूक करके जाएंगे दुनिया को दिखाएंगे.
जागरूक करके जाएंगे दुनिया को जगाएंगे.
जागो देश जागो. जागो लोग जागो.
तो भाइयों बहनों नमस्कार आदाब सत श्री अकाल. आज हम सेंट एलपीएस के विद्यार्थी आप सभी के सामने पेश करने जा रहे हैं एक नुक्कड़ नाटक. लेकिन दिखाएं क्या?
चलो दिखाते हैं पीयर प्रेशर यानी कि फ्रेंड्स का इन्फ्लुएंस.
लेकिन ये पीयर प्रेशर होता क्या है? पीयर प्रेशर मींस फ्रेंड्स के प्रेशर का इफेक्ट.
I don't think any of us understood. थोड़ा और अच्छे से तो समझाओ.
सीन 1 क्लासमेट्स का प्रेशर. पीयर प्रेशर बहुत बड़ी समस्या है.
साथियों के साथ नंबरों की दौड़ है.
अरे माया तुम्हारे मैथ्स में कितने मार्क्स आए हैं?
मेरे तो 98 आए हैं. आरव के तो अंडे आए हैं और उसने घर जाके डंडे भी खाए हैं. अंडे आए डंडे खाए. अंडे आए डंडे खाए.
लगता है आरव ने अपने दिमाग के घोड़े नहीं दौड़ाए.
सीन 2 सोशल मीडिया का प्रेशर एंड इट्स इफेक्ट्स. तेरी बातों में ऐसा उलझा जिया बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया.
अरे खुशी ये क्या करा? सारी रील खराब कर दी.
रील वो क्या होता है? तुम्हें रील के बारे में नहीं मालूम? नहीं मालूम.
अच्छा तुम्हें फेसबुक के बारे में तो मालूम होगा ना?
फेसबुक नहीं नोटबुक पता है मुझे.
फेसबुक छोड़ो तुम्हें इंस्टाग्राम के बारे में तो पता ही होगा.
इंस्टाग्राम तो नहीं किलोग्राम पता है मुझे. अरे चलो कोई नहीं खुशी, आओ मैं तुम्हें रील बनाना सिखाती हूँ।
नहीं, मुझे नहीं सीखना।
इंस्टा पर नहीं होगी रील तो हमसे भी नहीं होगी डील।
बस बस, मुझे तो तुम सबकी दोस्ती चाहिए यार, मुझे भी रील बनाना सिखा दो।
चलो खुशी, मैं तुम्हें एक ट्रेंडिंग सॉन्ग तौबा तौबा पर रील बनाना सिखाता हूँ।
तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा।
Scene 3, फैशन का पैशन।
Oh my God, what are you wearing खुशी? लगती तो हो गीता, आओ हमारे संग बना दे तुम्हें गीता। अरे ये देखो, पूरे कुर्ते का सेट 10,000 का है और ये झुमके देख रही हो 2,000 के हैं।
Oh my God, it's so expensive.
ये देखो, ये चश्मा पूरे 10,000 रुपीस का है।
Amazing.
ये मेरी वॉच पूरे 1 लाख की है।
1 लाख की वॉच भी वही टाइम दिखाती है जो मेरे 200 रुपीस की दिखाती है। नहीं नहीं, मुझे नहीं पढ़ना इस फैशन में।
फैशन की है दुनिया, नहीं टिक पाएगी मुनिया। फैशन की है दुनिया, नहीं टिक पाएगी मुनिया।
Scene 4, फ्रेंड्स के प्रेशर का सलूशन। खुशी के घर पे।
नॉक नॉक। अरे खुशी आओ आओ, तुम्हारा मनपसंद का खाना बना है, चलो साथ में खाते हैं।
नहीं, मुझे नहीं खाना।
क्यों, बड़ी परेशान लग रही हो?
आज मैं अपने फ्रेंड से मिली थी, उन सभी के पास बहुत महंगी महंगी चीजें थी और मुझे देखो, मेरे पास तो कुछ भी नहीं है।
अरे खुशी, ये छोड़ो, तुम ये सुनो, सेहत का तुम रखो ध्यान, प्रॉपर खान पान और रहो जवान, टाइम के सही मैनेजमेंट से तुम्हें मिलेगा आराम।
गलत संगत को करके तुम अपनाओ सही रास्ते तुम।
अब से मैं नहीं आऊंगी अपने फ्रेंड्स के प्रेशर में, नहीं जीऊंगी इस झूठी और दिखावटी दुनिया में।
और अच्छा फ्रेंड वही है जो तुम्हें सही रास्ता दिखाए। तो चलो आओ, इस पीयर प्रेशर के प्रेशर को कर दे बाय बाय।
महसूस हुआ एक लाइफ की गाड़ी में किसके मारा ब्रेक, हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल, मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा।
Wow! With courage in their voices and conviction in their acts, our performers
Through this wonderful Nukkad Natak, we represented that peer pressure is not only common in teens, but it's also common in adults. Say no to peer pressure and yes to your true self. Listen to your inner voice. Create your own decisions. Dhanyavad.
Everyone, I would like to welcome you all to the special assembly of class 11. I am very happy seeing a lot of parents present over here and cheering for your child. Your presence acts as a motivational booster for your child. And in return, the children have performed quite well. The passion and confidence they have shown on the stage is quite remarkable. We all must acknowledge their effort. One point that I would like to emphasize is the importance of values and rituals. Values like integrity, discipline, empathy, and many more are very important to succeed in life. Technology may change, trend may evolve, but the values will always be the pillars of a strong character. Very few people actually understand its value, but those who do always succeed in life. I hope, as the well-wishers of our children, we will all do our best to instill these values in them. And finally, all the best for the future performance ahead. Thank you.
a big round of applause to our English choir group.
Now, coming up next is a soulful live singing performance that promises to touch our heart and lift our spirits.
कॉलेज के लिए लेट हो रहा है, मेरा लंच कहाँ है?
ला रही हूँ। ये लो बेटा।
थैंक यू माँ। बाय माँ।
बाय बेटा।
जिन्हें हम जिंदगी की हर खुशी देना चाहते हैं, मगर अपने हिसाब से, अपने टाइम फ्रेम के हिसाब से, जिन्हें हम आसमां दिखाते हैं मगर उतना ही जितना हमारी नज़र के सामने हो, जिन्हें हम कहते हैं कि जा बेटा जी ले अपनी जिंदगी, मगर साथ ही उसकी सहेली को देखकर ये बोलते हैं कि अच्छे घर की लड़कियां ऐसे नहीं करती। लेकिन एक लड़की को उसकी जिंदगी में क्या करना चाहिए, कैसे रहना चाहिए, इसके लिए उसे किसी की परमिशन की नीड नहीं है। उसकी पहचान वह खुद है। ऐसे ही हमारे देश में हजारों लड़कियों ने अपनी खुद पहचान बनकर सफलता हासिल करी है। एंड वन ऑफ देम इज सृष्टि देशमुख, द IAS officer. Choosing sociology as her subject, she began her journey with determination and perseverance. Despite facing challenges along the way, she emerged victorious, securing the 5th position in overall and becoming the first in the women's category at the tender age of 23.
दीवारें ऊंची है, गलियां है तंग, लंबी डगर है पर हिम्मत है संग, पाँव पे छाले हैं सांसें बुलंद, लड़ने चली हूँ आजादी की जंग, बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे। रीति की जंजीरें खा गई जंग, न्याय के मंदिर भी हो गए भंग, जमाना चले ना चले मेरे संग, लड़ने चली हूँ आजादी की जंग, बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे।
आज से अब से आन मेरी, मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी, जान को चाहे छलनी कर दो, मान को ना छूने दूंगी। आज से अब से आन मेरी, मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी, जान को चाहे छलनी कर दो, मान को ना छूने दूंगी। छू के देखो दिल मेरा, तुम्हें दिल में अपने भर लूंगी, पर छेड़ के देखो तुम मुझको, मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी, मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी, तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी।
Let's बदलेगी देश का स्वरूप। And with this we end our beautiful yet majestic performance on women empowerment.
Now we are handing over the mic to Miss Vani ma'am.
One MACD Happy Meal. I remember that day, sir. Then you told me students should feel happy, and I think your children must have told you that today they have got the Happy Meal from MACD. So each and every winner we given Happy Meal, and they were really happy with that Happy Meal. Thank you.
Time.
Time doesn't tick like a clock. It moves like breath, sometimes calm, sometimes restless. We Indian, we never saw time as straight road. We sat as Chakravyuh, a spiral dance between light and shadow, a test between memory and forgetting. Student rose, not to read, but to realize what true education is. We lost our rhythm. We are running without music. So let us walk through all the 4 yogas, Satya, Treta, Dwapar, Kali. Maybe, just maybe, we will remember what our ancestors taught us, that education does not teach us how to earn, it teaches us how to live. Beginning of Satyug.
The sun doesn't question if it is bright enough. It just shines and the world adapts to it. I have lived through all the yugs, have taught sages, kings, warriors, and even the confused teens of the Kali Yuga. The books changed, the students changed, but the hunger for knowledge remains. Let us begin with the Satyug, and I will show you how education looked in different yugs.
Pranam Guruji.
Ayushman Bhava.
Guruji, I have come here not to pass the exams, but to pass through the ignorance, to seek the true knowledge.
Then, child, leave behind your emotions. Leave behind your emotions. Leave behind your fear of failure and bring only one thing, that is desire to change.
Guruji, what will I learn here?
You will get the knowledge of scriptures, the knowledge of Vedas, the path of truth and the path of wisdom.
But how would I know if I am learning something?
Not everything can be measured. Not everything can be tested. Only one result matters, that is self-realization.
Pranam.
Now we will see Satyug from a beautiful dance performance.
सतयुग की शुरुआत, एक युग जहां सच और पवित्रता का दीपक सदा जलता था। इस युग में भक्ति और शुद्धता का ऐसा प्रकाश था जो हर अंधकार को मिटा देता था।
Dharma.
Pranam Guruji.
Ayushman Bhava.
Guruji, I wish to be like Lord Ram, calm, courageous and just.
Then learn like Rama, balance study with service, strength with sacrifice, and knowledge with humility.
But he must bring honor to our family. He must become a Rajpurohit, a royal priest. That is his dharma.
But what if my heart calls me elsewhere? What if my dharma is not what others have decided for me?
Dharma is not blind obedience. Dharma is the path on which your soul is born to walk.
Pranam Guruji.
Treta Yuga, where roles begin to form. Education took structures, 64 arts, royal gurukuls, pathshalas. Every role began with new responsibility, 2 new roles. Education become honorable, yes, but often heavy.
त्रेता युग, ये वह काल था जहां श्री राम और सीता के प्रेम, त्याग और धर्म का अनुसरण होता था। यह युग था मर्यादा और आदर्श का, जहां हर बलिदान में समर्पण और साहस का प्रत्यक्ष दर्शन होता था।
Dwapara, the stage of strategy and ego.
Pranam Guruji, Ayushman Bhava. Guruji, I wanted to be the best, the next Arjun, but I am drowning in expectations. Then remember, even Arjuna froze on the battlefield. He won not only with arrows, but with clarity. He fought only after he understood himself.
Don't listen to the philosophy. We must prepare for Shastra exam. Archery, astronomy, diplomacy will all be selected for Hastinapur's elite Sabha. We don't have time for feelings. There is no space for self-doubt or slow thinker.
I sacrifice sleep, peace, joy, but I still feel hollow. They taught me how to aim arrow, but no one ever asked what I am aiming for. You may win battles, but if you lose yourself, what is win about?
Dwapara, where the intellect grows sharp, but so did the ego. Compassion entered the education. Wisdom became weaponized. Arjuna had Krishna, but not every student did.
द्वापर युग एक ऐसा युग जहां प्रेम और युद्ध का साम्राज्य था। इस युग में श्री कृष्ण की नीति और उनकी चतुराई ने मनुष्यों को धर्म के मार्ग पर चलने की प्रेरणा दी। कहते हैं श्री कृष्ण का रूप ऐसा था कि देखने वाला उन्हें देखता ही रह जाए। उनकी बांसुरी की मधुर तान सुनकर गोकुल की हर गोपी उनके प्रेम में अपना अस्तित्व खो देती थी।
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, class. How are you all doing today?
Good, ma'am.
I hope you all have completed your assignments as I'll be collecting them today.
Assignments? No.
Deadline missed again. How will you face boards or yourself?
12 hours a day. Coaching, school, homework. What am I even studying for?
Relax, bro. AI will write your half of the assignment. Just upload your notes there.
Forget boards. Ayush Sharma scores 99%. You cannot even pass in your internal.
Why even study? Just make reels. Followers come faster than marks.
I don't want reels. I want real world. Something that matters.
But what does matter? Do you know?
No, I don't. All I know is a noise. It is disturbing me.
Noise is life now. Without it, you can't understand who we are.
Kalyug, the age of abundance and absence. We scroll, we swipe, we consume, yet remain hungry. We have everything but understand nothing. Education was meant to transform us, but now it's just another transaction. We are more connected than ever, but still feel lonely. In chasing the next notification, we have lost the voice within.
अंततः आता है कलयुग। एक ऐसा युग जहां मोह, माया, लोभ और काम भावनाओं ने सत्य को ढक लिया है। इस युग में इंसान बाहरी सुखों की खोज में अपनी शांति खो बैठा है।
I taught in silence. No buildings, no bells. The students sat still and learned the universe.
Education is not a duty, it's lifestyle, it's purpose. So let us find the true meaning of education.
I trained them in dharma. Lessons came with fire and responsibilities to serve, to sacrifice, to rise only after bowing down.
In Treta Yuga, learning meant obedience, but sometimes at cost of choice. Not every student got really to ask, what do I truly want?
I sharpened minds like swords, but pride entered the classroom. Ranks mattered more than reflection, and purpose got buried under pressure.
In Dwapar Yuga, learning became the battlefield. Every student wanted to be the first, but no one ever stopped to ask why. Students wore pride like an armor, but deep inside they all were afraid to fall.
Now I teach through screens. I speak, they scroll. They hear but rarely listen. Attention is brief, but anxiety is constant.
Kalyug, the age of everything and the feeling of nothing. The student knows every answer except to the question, who am I?
The purpose of education was never just to earn, but to evolve. So today, in the chaos of Kalyug, where we have to still find silence, purpose and truth, then still perhaps there will no after Satyug after all.
Give one core principle, the law of demand. In simple terms, as price goes up, demand goes down. As price goes down, demand goes up. But real life isn't that straightforward. Throughout this performance, you will see how this law bends under several fascinating exceptions.
Today we bring to a topic so exciting, so thrilling, so GDP breaking that even Sensex will go up in excitement. Yes, it's the time for the economics kit. In this kit, you will meet demand, which runs away from the high prices like we run away from the maths homework, and utility. Utility drops faster than the marks in economics after a surprise test. And demand and desire breaks the rule just like we break our New Year resolutions. So, ये एक ऐसा अर्थव्यवस्था का नाटक है जहाँ पैसा बोलेगा, समोसे बिकेंगे और knowledge भी मिलेगा. So fasten your seat belts because it's a live supply of knowledge and fun. Don't be worried, no GST charge. So, scene 1 depicts that this is a courtroom drama where demand and desire is on trial. क्या पिज्जा सिर्फ एक क्रेविंग है या एक्चुअल डिमांड? चलिए कोर्टरूम में चलते हैं और देखते हैं जहां डिमांड एंड डिजायर का राज खुलेगा.
My lord, this is the case where we will discuss about where a pizza was a demand or a desire.
ऑर्डर ऑर्डर. रोहित, बताओ तुम्हारा पिज्जा डिमांड था या दिल की डिजायर?
नहीं माय लॉर्ड, पिज्जा खरीदना सिर्फ मेरी दिल की ख्वाहिश ही नहीं, उसके लिए मैंने 200 रुपए रेडी भी दिए थे और पेइंग एबिलिटी भी थी. दैट्स डिमांड.
Objection, my lord. उसने ही घर से पैसे चुराए थे.
Do you have any witness to that?
Yes, my lord. I will show the witness to you.
True, he said he was going to get his mom's birthday gift but brought the pizza himself.
So he had the desire but not the effective purchasing power.
And that's the economic truth. Desire plus purchasing power is equals to real demand.
So if I want a Lamborghini but I don't have enough money to buy it, then it's my desire, not demand.
No, Maya, that's a daydream. So for demand, there should be some desire and money for the mode of payment. Then only it is known as demand. Hence, the court is dismissed.
Scene 2. Now brace yourself because canteen का महायुद्ध शुरू हो चुका है. Where the topic is not politics but the piping hot and expensive samosas. So let's see how law of demand works here.
समोसा सिर्फ स्नैक नहीं, यही तो जज्बात है. हर चाय के कप का असली साथी साथ है. टेंशन हो या हार्ट ब्रेक, एग्जाम हो या सेलिब्रेशन, समोसा देता है हर सीन को डेडिकेशन. आओ आओ गर्मा गर्म समोसे खाओ, ओनली फॉर ₹50.
50 for one samosa. Have you added gold potatoes to it?
अरे नेहा, क्वालिटी भी तो देखो. प्योर देसी घी में बने हैं विथ माई सीक्रेट मसाला.
Huh. At this rate, even a biryani is cheaper than this triangle of inflation.
Why, this is so costly.
Demand high, price is also high. This is economics, madam.
Wow, law of demand in real life.
Crunchy, worth every overpriced rupee.
You are buying more samosa despite the price hike.
भाई समोसा मेरे लिए जज्बात है. It is a need for me, no matter what the price.
I think Vikas has a point. There are few things that every customer would like to have, irrespective of its price. If one has to buy it, he will buy it, no matter what the price is. Also, Tanish and Neha, do you remember that we studied this in our economic class? If a commodity is a necessity or habit, its demand remains the same, irrespective of its price.
समोसा लेना है तो लो, यहाँ पर इकोनॉमिक्स की क्लास मत शुरू करो.
Let's do one thing. We'll buy one samosa because the price is so high.
Scene 3. Now let's go and take the economics class and understand what the battle is really about. ये बात है एक ऐसी क्लास की जहां इकोनॉमिक्स पढ़ा नहीं जिया जाता है. वेलकम टू इकोनॉमिक्स की पाठशाला.
So children, let's understand what is utility of demand. So utility of demand means use a commodity again and again diminishes its demand.
ओके सर, मतलब पहला समोसा हेवनली, दूसरा अमेजिंग, तीसरा ओके ओके, चौथा ओफ और पांचवा चमक बोले आई क्विट.
Oh, this is diminishing marginal utility. जितना ज़्यादा consume करो उतनी कम satisfaction. But last night I went to a party where there were so many stalls. But my utility didn't decline by shifting to pav bhaji even after eating 5 golgappa.
ऐसे ही अगर फ्री पीरियड रोज रोज मिलने लगे तो वो भी बोरिंग लगने लग जाते हैं.
Except shopping, utility never ends for me.
Khushi, for utility of demand, it is used to require to use product again and again.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I hope you all are understand what is utility of demand.
So if the price is high, then demand will low. Hence proved.
And with that, our economics roller coaster skate comes to an end. We hope that you understood how economic plays a crucial role in our everyday choices. And we hope that you like this skit. Thank you so much.
From classroom theory to creative storytelling, that's how you demand attention. Let's clap for this witty and wise takes on the law of demand.
मैं आप सभी के समक्ष प्रदीप चौपे द्वारा कही गई एक कविता की कुछ पंक्तियां कहने जा रही हूँ. ज़रा गौर से सुनिएगा. भारतीय रेल की जनरल बोगी, भारतीय रेल की जनरल बोगी, पता नहीं आपने भोगी की नहीं भोगी. एक बार हमें करनी पड़ी रेल की यात्रा, देख सवारियों की मात्रा पसीने लगे छूटने, हम घर की तरफ लगे फूटने। इतने में एक कूली आया और हमसे फरमाया, अंदर जाओगे? हमने कहा, तुम पहुंचाओगे? उसने कहा, अंदर तो पहुंचा दूंगा, अंदर तो पहुंचा दूंगा, पर रुपए पूरे 50 लूंगा। हमने कहा, सामान नहीं केवल हम हैं। उसने कहा, आप क्या किसी सामान से कम हैं? भीड़ देख रहे हैं, कंधे पे उठाना पड़ेगा, धक्का दे के अंदर पहुंचाना पड़ेगा, मंजूर हो तो बताओ। हमने कहा, देखा जाएगा, तुम उठाओ। कूली ने बजरंग बली का नारा लगाया और पूरी ताकत से हमें जैसे ही उठाया कि खुद बैठ गया। दूसरी बार कोशिश की तो लेट गया। बोला, भगवान ही आपको उठा सकते हैं, भगवान ही आपको उठा सकते हैं। आपको उठाते उठाते तो हम खुद ही इस दुनिया से उठ जाएंगे। तभी गाड़ी ने सीटी दे दी। हम झोला लेके भागे, बड़ी मुश्किल से डिब्बे के अंदर घुस पाए। डिब्बे का दृश्य तो और भी घमासान था। पूरा का पूरा डिब्बा अपने आप में एक हिंदुस्तान था। कोई सीट पे बैठा था, कोई खड़ा था, कोई लेटा था। जिसे कहीं जगह नहीं मिली वह बर्थ के नीचे लेटा था। हमने एक गंजे यात्री से कहा, भाई साहब थोड़ी सी जगह हमारे लिए भी बनाइए। गंजा यात्री सर झुका के बोला, आइए हमारी खोपड़ी पर बैठ जाइए, आइए हमारी खोपड़ी में बैठ जाइए। आप ही के लिए तो साफ की है, केवल 2 रुपए देना, मगर फिसल जाओ तो हमसे मत कहना। तभी खिड़की के जरिए एक बोड़ा अंदर आया और गंजे के सिर पे टकराया। गंजा चिल्लाया, किसका बोड़ा है? बोड़ा फौरन खड़ा हो गया। उसमें से एक लड़का निकल के बोला, ये बोड़ा नहीं है, ये बोड़ा नहीं है, बोड़े के अंदर 12 साल का छोरा है। अंदर आने का यही एक तरीका है, हमने अपने माँ बाप से सीखा है। और आप तो एक बोड़े में ही घबरा रहे हैं, आप तो एक बोड़े में ही घबरा रहे हैं। जरा ठहर तो जाइए, अभी गद्दे में लिपट कर हमारे बाप जी अंदर आ रहे हैं। आप उनका क्या करेंगे? आप उनका क्या करेंगे? हम तो खड़े भी हैं, वो तो आपकी गोद में लेट जाएंगे। तभी एक यात्री था, फर्श पे बैठे हुए अपनी आंखें मूंदे। उनके सर पर गिरी कुछ गर्मा गर्म पानी की बूंदे। वह सर उठा के बोला, कौन है, कौन है? पानी गिराकर मौन है, दिखता नहीं है, नीचे तुम्हारा बाप बैठा है। ऊपर से आवाज आई, क्षमा करना बड़े भाई, क्षमा करना बड़े भाई, हमारा 6 महीने का बच्चा लेटा है, कृपया माफ कर दीजिए और अपना मुंह भी नीचे कर लीजिए, वरना बच्चे का क्या भरोसा, उसने अगली बार आपको क्या परोसा। तभी गाड़ी बड़ी जोर से हिली। एक खुशी के मारे चिल्लाया, अरे चली चली। दूसरा बोला, जय बजरंग बली। तीसरा बोला, या अली। हमने कहा, काहे के लिए और काहे की बली, काहे के लिए और काहे की बली। गाड़ी तो बगल वाली चली। धन्यवाद।
Let's applaud for our poet. Pack the compartments.
Are you ready? Yes, very good. So, I request few parents to come forward to play just one simple game. So, please come forward. Any interested parents? Ma'am, until or unless we are taking initiatives, how can we say, yes, you are most, I'll tell you later on, ma'am. That is pick this glass with the help of balloon only, and you are supposed to stack that glass over here. So whosoever will be stacking more glasses, that will be the winner. So you want one demo? You want one demo? So for the betterment of the school and the students. So here we really appreciate the feedback of the parents. So ma'am has given her name for the feedback. So ma'am, you are welcome. And ma'am is the new parent, sir. In 11th class only her child is admitted. Continue, ma'am.
मेरी बेटी प्रगति शौर्य 11th B में पढ़ती है। बहुत अच्छा उसका जो भी ड्रीम था इस स्कूल में आके पूरा हुआ। वो मैम लोग भी बहुत सपोर्टिंग नेचर के हैं, बहुत अच्छा लगा। आगे भगवान और टीचर का ब्लेसिंग उसको मिलता रहे। थैंक यू।
Now I would like to call Natansh Singh, brother of...
Present over here. I am Natansh, brother of Avishi Singh. and I'm alumni of batch 1819, and I've returned here after 6 long years, and quite frankly, I have noticed quite a lot of changes. For example, the cricket turf and the ground. I was very shocked to see that how well maintained the ground is, and the centralized air conditioning, because back in my time the auditorium was built, but we used to sit under fans, and quite frankly, Avishit told me that there are ACs in our class too. That was quite shocking. So I'd like to send my deepest regard to Satyam sir for all these changes. I wish I could have experienced all those, but well, then again, it's all nostalgia. So thank you.
Thank you, Natansh, and all credit goes to our respected academic director once again. Mr. Satya Malik sir, please give a big round of applause to sir. Because whatever we are, whatever changes Natansh has observed, that is just because of sir.
Next, I would like to call Miss Rekha Singh, mother of Khyati Singh, to kindly come forward for the expression of gratitude.
You are welcome, ma'am. Yes, you can stand over there if you want. Give a side to ma'am.
Good afternoon. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our school management, teachers, students and staff for their tireless together. Thank you so much.
A warm good afternoon to the esteemed gathering present here. Today, we the students of class 11 are really proud to perform a short skit that aims to highlight the ordinary life of a class 11 student after opting for science stream. Through this skit, we not only try to entertain you, but also spark a thought. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Meet Ira, fresh out of class 10th, full of dreams, confidence, but zero clue about what is gonna lie ahead in her future. Soon she has to take the decision which is gonna shape her whole future. तो चलो देखते हैं कि क्या वो सही decision ले पाती है या नहीं.
Hey family, after my 10th result, I have decided कि मैं science ले रही हूँ.
Oh, science, maths or biology?
Biology. I'll become a doctor or a surgeon or a vet, whatever. मैं सब कर लूँगी.
Wow, Didi, don't take it lightly, huh? It's your decision. I won't give you my shoulder to cry on. Ha ha ha.
Be careful, bacha. This early enthusiasm may turn into further regret. Choose wisely. Science is not a piece of cake.
Don't worry, Mama. It's just about some lab work, equations and diagrams. I'll manage.
Maybe Ira's mom is right. She may be a little overconfident right now as she doesn't know what is gonna lie ahead. Soon, she enters a new classroom full of new and old faces.
ओ वो देखो नया बच्चा मैथ्स और बायोलॉजी.
Biology.
ओ अच्छा, तुम तो पहले ही 3 महीने पीछे हो ना, तो तुमने कोचिंग वगैरह तो लगा ही ली होगी.
Not now, but I'll cover up. At last, I scored 91% in my class 10th.
Our average is 93%, so you are below average.
What? Seriously?
अब आयरा को उसके क्लास 11 के पहले दिन एक शौक तो मिल ही चुका था, बिलो एवरेज होने का शौक. यहाँ से 2 कंडीशंस निकल सकती हैं. या तो वो पीयर प्रेशर को साइड रख के अपने आप को मोटिवेटेड रखे और अपनी जर्नी कंटिन्यू करे, या फिर पीयर प्रेशर के ट्रैप में फॉल होके अपने आप को डिमोटिवेटेड रखे. तो आइए देखते हैं वो क्या डिसीजन लेती है.
छन से जो टूटे कोई सपना, जग सुना सुना लागे, जग सुना सुना लागे, कोई रहे ना जब अपना, जग सुना सुना.
Oh no! I thought I was the special one here, but everyone else is better than me. Oh God! How will I be able to cover up? No. I have to stay out of comparison. I have to cover up at any cost.
Thank God, our main character stayed out of peer pressure, or this could have been completely different. Now Ira finally enters to her chemistry lab, smelling ethanol and sensing confusion.
Hello students, welcome to class of chemistry. First of all, do not taste or smell anything until unless you don't want to see some daylights.
Why is the teacher looking at me as if I'm about to do something stupid?
Because last year somebody did.
What?
Some senior lighted up potassium powder thinking it was salt, and then he spent nearly 2 weeks without any eyebrows.
Other streams are not bad though. No. I'll stick to science only.
This student does have some crazy willpower to her. Anybody would have quit the stream right now, but she still wants to stick with science. Now she enters her physics class.
Hello बच्चों. So students, today we will study a new topic named relative velocity. Let's understand this topic by writing an example. Write it down. A bus is traveling at a speed of 25 km per hour and there are 25 students sitting on the bus. So calculate the age of the bus driver.
Sir, doubt.
Yes, ask.
Sir, can't we just mind our own business? Driver की एज जान के हमें क्या फायदा होगा?
Yes, it could have बेटा, पर फिजिक्स ऐसे काम नहीं करती है.
सर मैं आई कम इन? बेचारे साइंस वाले बच्चे दिन भर पढ़ते रहते हैं, इसलिए तो मैंने साइंस नहीं ली.
Oh, hello bro. Science is the most difficult of all streams.
Don't underestimate other streams. They also have their difficulties.
What do you even do in commerce? Just matching balance sheets all the time.
ऐसे तो मुझे भी साइंस आती है. Mitochondria is powerhouse of the cell.
Credit is what goes out and debit is what comes in.
If I hear another sound from the back, you both will be out of the class.
After questioning millions of time and arguing, Ira finally enters to her biology class.
Welcome students to the class of biology. So students, today we dissect a frog. So who wants to be a volunteer?
Sir, but I am vegetarian.
That's okay beta, but you don't have to eat the frog. You just have to hold the frog.
Now it's another day of scientific chaos. Let's see what happens.
अरे आयरा, आज साइकोलॉजी वाली मैम एब्सेंट है.
आज तो बहुत खेलूंगा मैं स्पोर्ट्स में, बहुत मजा आएगा.
हाँ, वॉलीबॉल खेलने चलते हैं, बहुत मजा आएगा.
आज तो बहुत स्पाइक मारूंगा मैं.
What's happening in the class?
Sir, today our psychology teacher is absent, so we are going for sports period.
So what's the matter? But I am present here. Open your notebook and write down the previous question.
पढ़ो पढ़ो, इसलिए तो मैंने साइंस नहीं ली. अब मेरे 4 पीरियड लगातार गेम्स के हैं.
अरे बच्चों, वॉलीबॉल बाद में खेलना. नेक्स्ट वीक आपके केमिस्ट्री के एग्जाम्स हैं.
What? Exams?
हाँ, और केमिस्ट्री के एग्जाम में इक्विलिब्रियम आ रहा है.
Next week?
हाँ, नेक्स्ट वीक.
मुझे तो पहला चैप्टर भी नहीं आता.
चैप्टर 5 पढ़ना है, फर्स्ट नहीं पढ़ना.
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो. सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो.
Ha ha ha! ये देखो कौन आया. एग्जाम्स. आई होप इन लोगों ने पढ़ाई कर ली होगी. ऑब्वियसली 1 वीक दिया गया था इन्हें, और अगर नहीं करी तो करनी तो पड़ेगी भाई. साइंस के बच्चे हैं, बिना पढ़े इनका तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला. जस्ट लुक एट दीज फेसेस. कितने डरे सहमे हुए से हैं. डिप्रेशन, एंजाइटी, स्ट्रेस. एवरीवन इज थिंकिंग कि वो पास हो जाएंगे, बट मैं भी देखती हूँ ये कैसे पास होते हैं. मेरी गारंटी है इनमें से एक को भी पास नहीं होने दूंगी. हाँ, अ सिंगल शीट ऑफ पेपर कैन नॉट डिसाइड योर फ्यूचर, बट हाँ ये ज़रूर डिसाइड करेगा कि आपको आपके घर जाके किससे और कितनी मार पड़ेगी.
Now, seeing the disappointed faces of all the students, the counselor enters.
ओह गॉड, मैंने क्या सोच के साइंस ली, मुझे तो कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है.
Hey, what seems to be the problem? Tell me about it.
We are demotivated. We are not able to cover up.
Okay. First of all, take a deep breath. You choose science, not peace. Welcome to the roller coaster where sleep is optional, confusion is permanent, and self-doubt is your best friend. But trust me, ये सबको होता है. Every science student has cried at least once after seeing the syllabus, and it's normal. If you're feeling like you're losing your mind, don't worry. It's part of science. Keep trying, give your 100%. I bet you will succeed.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, to anyone thinking of science, commerce or humanities, just don't do them under anyone's pressure or especially under overconfidence.
It's okay to feel demotivated or underwhelmed, as it is just a part of your whole life. But just remember my one thing, to never give up, क्योंकि अगर मन में ठान लिया है तो वो हो तो जाएगा ही. चक दे फटे. Thank you.
Wow, what a wonderful, insightful and thought-provoking skit. The way they presented the pros and cons of career choices was both entertaining and educational. Let's show appreciation for that impactful performance with a resounding applause.
Now, get ready to move, groove, and feel the
Jay Perry featuring Shabba. Bouger, put your hands up, souke, shake your hips and hooray, ho. Everybody dance and bouge, put your hands up, souke, shake your hips and hooray, ho. Shabba, move us up, tout le monde que bouge, tout le monde que danse, tout le monde que chante, tout le monde que bouge, tout le monde que danse, tout le monde que chante, bouge. Somebody, you wanna whine, say you wanna grind. Let the rhythm take you over, ride it like you do the rodeo. When it takes you, let it go. Around the world, people dancing Zumba. Everybody dance and bouge, put your hands up, souke, shake your hips and hooray, ho. Everybody dance and bouge, put your hands up, souke, shake your hips and hooray, ho. Shabba, move us on, I said that's like a shot. Make it move it in you. Zumba, yeah, zumba, yeah, zumba, yeah. Zumba, zumba, yeah, zumba, yeah, zumba, yeah. Zumba, zumba, yeah, zumba, yeah, zumba, yeah. Zumba, zumba, yeah, zumba, yeah, zumba, yeah. Everybody dance and bouge, put your hands up, souke, shake your hips and hooray, ho. Everybody dance and bouge, put your hands up, souke, shake your hips and hooray, ho. Shabba, move us up, tout le monde que bouge. Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자 너는 선호해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선호해 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선호해 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선호해 그런 선호해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남
They dance, they...
जय हो शंकरा आदिदेव शंकरा तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह मेरा कर्म तू ही जाने क्या बुरा है क्या भला तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आंख मूंद के चला तेरे नाम की जोत ने सारा हर लिया तमस मेरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभो हे शिवाय शंकरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा
जग में है वक्त का तू ही तो पहला पहर तू आँख जो खोले तो ढाए कहर
वो सबका ना इनका उनका वही है माला वही है मन का मस्त मलंग वो अपनी धुन का अंतर मंतर अंतर ज्ञानी है सर्वज्ञ स्वाभिमानी जय है महाविनाशी ओंकार है इसी की वाणी भांग धतूरा बेल का पत्ता तीनों लोग इसी की सत्ता स्पीकर भी अडिग अमर है महादेव हर हर है छत्ता वही शून्य है वही इकाई वही शून्य है वही इकाई वही शून्य है वही इकाई जिसके भीतर बसा शिवाय
अघोराणां परो मंत्र नास्ति तत्त्वं गुरुः परादिम्
Om Namah Parvati Pate Har Har Mahadev. What a performance! Where that
से दुनिया का क्या है पता है फकीरा दिल ये खुदा भी मिल जाए तो क्या काफिराना दिल से दुनिया का क्या है पता है फकीरा दिल ये खुदा भी मिल जाए तो क्या थोड़ी मनमानियाँ हो थोड़ी नादानियाँ हो शरारतें भी थोड़ी जरा थोड़ी बेईमानियाँ हो दूर परेशानियाँ हो जाके
जैसे थे आप वैसे ही सेटल हो जाइए. Thank you for showing discipline for the whole day. Not today, from the since past many days. Many times I have scolded you for creating indiscipline. But today I would say just one word, love you all. And I would fail in my duties along with the students if I am not giving recognition to all my superwomen who were behind the scene but they were on the toes. Harshita ma'am, please come. Reena ma'am, Shweta ma'am, Vani ma'am, Parul ma'am, and Ritika ma'am. How can I forget her? Ritika ma'am. She is always ready for each and everything. So this is my team, and just because of the efforts of this team, this show has become successful. How can I forget to thank? I really thank from the core of my heart Tushar sir, who is always there, Nitin sir for creating discipline, and Surendra sir for handling the backstage, Manikchand Bhaiya always there with a smile on his face, and